Hi, this is Shruti, your guide for today, and in this video we'll be learning how to use this Nikon D7500. Firstly, let's learn how to mount the camera. For that we need a lens, the SD card and a battery. So let's start mounting. Starting with the lens, you have to open the cap first. Then you'll see a white dot on the lens. You have to align that white dot to the camera body and twist it anti-clockwise. Once you hear the tuck sound, it means it's locked. Now you have to mount the battery and the memory card. To mount the battery, to insert the battery, you have to flip the camera. You'll see a battery slot over here. Open it and then place the battery inside and then close it. Now let's insert the SD card. Now to insert the SD card, you'll find an SD card slot on your right. You have to pull this, insert the SD card like this. Once this is inserted, just close it and push it back. Now that you're done with the mounting, let's learn how to use the camera. To do that, you'll see the off-on switch here. To turn it on, slide it towards on, and your camera is turned on. So there are two ways how you can click a picture. All you have to do is keep this near your eye, press the shutter button, and your picture is clicked. And the other way is press this live view button, and to click a picture you can touch on the screen. There you go. To record a video, slide this button towards the record icon and then press this record button. Then it starts recording. And to stop the recording, you have to press this button again. Now if you want to view all your footages, you have to press this button and then you can explore all the photos and videos you took. And if you want to go back to recording, press the same button. Now if you want to change the modes, you have to press this center button and rotate so that you get the desired mode. But if you're a beginner, I'd suggest you do it auto. Now that you're done with all your shooting, let's learn how to transfer the footage. The first way is you can take out the SD card from the camera, insert it in your laptop and transfer all the files that you need. And the other way is you can download the SnapBridge app in your phone, pair your camera with the app and download all the files that you need. To pair it with the app, you have to go to this menu bar, go to this tools icon. You'll see connect to smart device. Tap on that. Start. Now it is ready to connect. Now open the SnapBridge app in your phone. You'll see connect to camera. You'll see the camera name here. This is pair. Pairing complete. You'll get an option of download pictures. Go there. Now you can download all the pictures that you need. Insert this SD card in the SD card slot in your laptop. Now you can see all the pictures and videos that you had shot. Now let's learn how to charge your camera. There are again two ways to charge your camera. One with the battery charger and one directly with the camera. To do it the first way, remove the battery from the camera, place it inside the battery charger like this. Then connect this cable to the battery charger. Now plug it. Then you'll see this red light. It means it is charging. The second way to do it is let the battery be inside the camera itself. You'll find a B-type cable. Open this slot. You'll find a B-type slot. Connect this with a phone charging adapter and it starts charging. And that's all about Nikon D7500. If you find this content informative, do hit the subscribe button.